Big data, artificial intelligence, autonomy, robotic systems, and decision support systems by York. Technology, which has never stopped its development and increased its development speed as time progresses, also changes the concepts of war. Aselsan aims to show the state in which war vehicles and fields can be transformed with futuristic solution designs in the animated film in which it compares today and 20 years later. With artificial intelligence and autonomous technologies, the elements in the field have the ability to make decisions on their own and intervene with superhuman reflexes, while decision support systems and robotic systems are taking the place of humans. Personnel who are not even in the field are able to manage the war remotely with robotic systems. Today, the use of advanced unmanned technologies allows the war to be managed remotely in some cases. Many vehicles and weaponries you are about to see are already being made or being used by Turkish forces. Some are in prototype, some are already battle proven. When you combine those AI weaponry, you can give your enemy a very hard time. Thus, the threat detected in the field can be evaluated instantly in the Operations Management Center, and new tactics can be applied in accordance with the changing conditions. Advanced technology allows many military tactics to be implemented. As you can see here, the unmanned army and some armored personnel are on a cleaning operations around the mountains, while the soldiers 50 meters underground are operating the unmanned systems and the commanders are directing the operation from a far distance. Drones, insect unmanned aerial vehicles, and unmanned ground vehicles work in coordination with instant communication systems, making security in the field simultaneous. The armored suit that the soldier is wearing is probably going to be made of the boron element. If you don't know about boron, you can compare it with gold, silver, an element you can mine, and the biggest boron reserves are in Turkey. Turkey has 70% of the boron in the world, and it can be used for various areas, especially in the nuclear field, defense industry, jet and rocket fuel, soap, detergent, photography, textile, dyes, glass fiber, and generally in the paper industry. Autonomous stretchers will realize the injured evacuation. Autonomous stretchers that will be able to check the instant health information of a soldier injured on the battlefield and evacuate them from there in a fast, reliable way will be available on the fields. In fact, the prototype of the autonomous stretcher has been produced by Electroland Defense Company in Turkey. Thanks to the physical reflection of laser weapon systems, targets that cannot be shot directly due to various physical obstacles, like a mountain, the laser weapon is already being used for a couple years now in the Turkish army and it will be more advanced in the future. Aselsan is working on invisibility. There's also those who say that Turkey has found the invisibility technology, but this has not been announced by the state. is the end of the video. I hope you learned something today. See you on the next one.